Good morning, student. Now, student, question based on the topic straight line. There is one question, just the revision. So, question is taken from any of the topic of straight line. Question is, find the equations of the altitude of a triangle whose angular points are 2, -2, 1, 1 and C -1, 0. So here all altitude are required, but we will find only equation of one altitude. Let AD is the altitude. So first of all we will find the slope of BC. Slope of BC. It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here it is 0 minus 1 upon -1 minus 1, so it is 1/2. Now slope of AD, since m1 into m2 equal to -1, product of the slope. Its slope is m1, its slope is m2, they are perpendicular, so m2 equal to -2. Now equation of AD, by using one point form, it is y minus y1 is m2 x minus x1. Here this is x1 by 1. Let's suppose it is x1 by 1. So it is y plus 2 equal to -2 and x minus 2. So it is 2x plus y is plus 4 minus 2 equal to 2. It is the required equation of the altitude. Now I am continuing the question. Also find the orthocenter. So to find the orthocenter, we need one more altitude. Then point of intersection of two altitude is the orthocenter. So let us find slope of AC. Another orthocenter is BE. Another altitude is BE, and this point is the orthocenter. It is point P. So slope of AC is that it is m3. Again formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is 0 minus 2 minus plus upon -1 minus 2, or it is -2/3. Then slope of BE. Slope of BE, it is 3/2. Just take the reciprocal and change the sign. Now equation of BE. Equation of BE is again one point form. So it is y minus 0. I am taking this as a b is a b y minus 1. Y minus 1 equal to 3/2 x minus 1. Then it is 2y minus 2 equal to 3x minus 3. From this we will get 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Now simplify these two equations. It is equation 1, it is 2. Simplify that. So multiply equation 1/2. Find the value of x and y. So only being equation 1 and 2. It is 4x multiply 1/2 plus 2. It is 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here on adding 2 by cancel out. It is 7x equal to 5 and x equal to 5 upon 7. Putting the value of x in equation 1. So we will get 2 into 5 upon 7 plus y equal to 2 and y equal to 2 minus 10 by 7 and y equal to 14 minus 10, or it is 4 by 7. So orthocenter is coordinate of P, it is 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. This way we will find the orthocenter. Now, next question is to find circumcenter. So find the circumcenter of a triangle whose angular points are 3, 4. There is -1, 2 and is 2, let 1. So first of all, find the slope of BC. Slope of BC. It is like, suppose it is M1, formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is 2 minus 1 upon -1 minus 2, or it is 1 upon -3. Then slope of QD, it is 3. Then midpoint of BC, point of BC, which is D, its coordinate 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now it is 2 minus 1 upon 2 and 1 plus 2 upon 2. It is 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Then equation of QD. Equation of QD. Q is the circumcenter. So its equation is, by using one-point form, it is y minus y1 equal to m1 and x minus x1. Here it is x1, y1. So it is y minus 3 by 2 equal to 3 and x minus 1 upon 2. It is 2y minus 3 equal to 3 and 2x minus 1. Then it is 2y, it is 2 to cancel. Okay. 2y equal to 6x, here 3 cancel out, and y equal to 3x. Its equation 1. It is the equation of QD. Now slope of AC. Slope of AC. It is minus 4 upon -1 minus 3. It is -2 upon -4, or it is 1 by 2. Then slope of QE, it is -2. Equation midpoint of AC it is 3 minus 1 upon 2 and 4 plus 2 upon 2, which is 1 upon 1 comma 3. Then equation of QE, it is y minus 3 equal to minus 2 x minus 1. Then it is y minus 3 equal to minus 2x plus 2, or it can be written as 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. It's equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2, since y equal to 2x, so it is 2x plus 3x y equal to 3x minus 5 equal to 0. From this we will get x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So, coordinate of Q, centroid, it is 1 comma 3. Centroid is 1 comma 3. No, sorry, it is the circumcenter. Q is the circumcenter. Circumcenter of the triangle ABC is Q 1 comma 3.